Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be shooting bottles with my new airsoft gun. So I have bottles on the trees. There's one up there. And I'm going to be shooting them. There's some on the ground over there as well. So I'm going to put the mag in and let's get straight into it. So first I'm just going to shoot the tip of a bottle. Shattered it. I'm surprised that that it did this much damage. Actually, it shoots plastic, so I didn't think it was gonna, shatter a glass thing. But that's cool. So I'm gonna shoot the rest of the bottle on this tree. Okay. I'll line it up. Also, sorry that I don't have my point of view whenever I'm shooting the gun. That's just my bad. I'll try to do it next time, but here we go. Okay, so I put a tiny hole in it. Oh! It fell. Okay, so the bottle fell. It's basically gonna break, so let's do this. It's getting windy, so I gotta hurry. This bottle's gonna blow up! Okay, so I'm gonna shoot this bottle. Ah! Let's move on to the next bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot this and hopefully it falls off. Oh, wow. Huh. Okay. Shot 2. It seems to be bouncing off this one. Here. Let's try that. Fine, I guess it won't cooperate. We're gonna have to do something else to it. Okay, this bottle won't cooperate. It won't let itself get destroyed. I'll destroy it another way. Yeah. Nah. Oh, perfect. Okay. Time to throw. Oh. Take 2. Wait. What? This is the strongest bottle ever. What? Hold on. Okay, this will surely do it. Okay. Well, there's that bottle gone. Now for bottle number 3. Let's see how this one holds up. Okay. Okay. We have a problem. So I'm pretty sure whenever the bottle is fully together like this, my airsoft won't actually destroy it. So I have a solution for that, and I'm gonna hope it works. Basically, I'm gonna try to cut the tip off and shoot it. So stick. Are these bottles just like... Okay. I'll just... I guess that... I guess that works. Okay. Alright, here. Now it's time to annihilate this thing. Alright. Okay. Okay. Nice. Well, here's the crime scene. All the remnants of the stuff I shot over here. And what should I do with this guy? Maybe something unique that most people wouldn't do. To a bottle. Very unique.